Today we're going to do an overview of the wireless camera system. We have two different kind of cameras with this system. One that connects in with the CEC, where it's hardwired to your vehicle on the inside. This camera would be used if you have the Voyager pre-wired plate on the back of your vehicle installed by the manufacturer. This camera is typically used in an aftermarket application where you're replacing a camera system. So with the monitor powered on, you'll want to make sure that you are on channel 1 and that the camera has no power before you prompt the pair. So we'll go ahead and press and hold the select pair button on the display. It gives you 50 seconds. As the monitor is counting down, you then want to apply power to the camera. Typically, this is controlled by turning on or off the headlights in your tow vehicle. And then you see we have our image. A successful pairing usually takes between 3 and 5 seconds to produce an image. When checking power at the camera, you'll want to make sure that you have 12 volts positive. If you are receiving a negative reading, that could indicate that there's reverse polarity on those wires. To pair this system, you must be on a switchable power source where you are able to remove power from the camera easily. The system requires the camera to have no power before the monitor starts counting down the pair.